Welcome back to the Stoic Formula, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today, we're diving deep into the mind of one of history's most powerful Stoics, Marcus Aurelius. His private journal, Meditations, wasn't written to impress or instruct anyone, yet it became one of the most profound guides to resilience, self-discipline, and virtue ever created. Whether you're navigating stress, leadership, or just trying to live better, this episode will show how Meditations offers a timeless formula for inner strength. Let's get into it. Marcus Aurelius's Meditations and the Stoic Ideal. Marcus Aurelius, Roman emperor from 161 to 180 AD, is remembered not only as a ruler, but also as a philosopher-king, whose private writings, known today as Meditations, have become a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Composed during military campaigns and in moments of solitude, Meditations reveals a mind deeply committed to self-discipline, duty, and the pursuit of virtue, hallmarks of the Stoic ideal. A life in accordance with nature. At the heart of Stoicism lies the concept of living in harmony with nature, not merely the natural world, but the rational order of the universe. For Marcus Aurelius, this meant accepting events beyond his control with equanimity and focusing his energy on what he could control, his judgments, choices, and actions. You have power over your mind, not outside events, he writes. Realize this, and you will find strength. His reflections consistently urge restraint, humility, and a steadfast dedication to reason. Whether facing war, political upheaval, or personal loss, Marcus reminds himself, and us, that peace comes from aligning one's will with the greater logos, the rational structure that Stoics believed governed the cosmos. Duty and the common good. Unlike many philosophers, Marcus Aurelius was not a teacher or scholar in the traditional sense. He governed an empire. His philosophy is therefore intensely practical and focused on ethical leadership. Throughout Meditations, he emphasizes his responsibility to others and the importance of serving the common good. What is not good for the beehive cannot be good for the bee, he wrote, underscoring the Stoic belief that individuals are inherently social beings whose highest calling is to contribute to society. This sense of duty extended even to dealing with difficult people. In the very first chapter of Meditations, Marcus prepares himself each day by recalling that he will meet people who are meddling, ungrateful, arrogant, dishonest, jealous, and surly, but that he must act with justice and kindness nonetheless. His approach exemplifies the Stoic discipline of not being ruled by emotions or others' behavior, but by one's own reasoned principles. Stoic resilience and self-examination. Meditations is perhaps most powerful as a window into a continual process of self-examination. Marcus does not write to instruct others, but to remind himself of how he ought to live. He admonishes himself for slipping into pride, distraction, or complaint. These candid self-rebukes embody a key Stoic practice, the daily review of one's thoughts and actions to improve moral character. What makes this work enduring is not just its philosophical depth, but its authenticity. Marcus was a man of immense power and responsibility, and yet his words are often marked by vulnerability and humility. He does not pose as a sage, but as a student of life trying to embody the Stoic ideal. The Stoic ideal in a modern context. Though written nearly 2 millennia ago, Meditations continues to resonate with modern readers. Its principles, resilience in adversity, self-control, rational action, and service to others, offer clarity and strength in a world often dominated by chaos and distraction. In an era of rapid change and uncertainty, Marcus's call to focus inward, cultivate virtue, and act with integrity feels more relevant than ever. In Meditations, Marcus Aurelius gave the world more than personal reflections. He offered a manual for enduring hardship with dignity and for living a life guided by reason and virtue. It stands as a testament to the Stoic ideal that peace and power lie not in external circumstances, but in the mastery of oneself. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire, but more importantly, he ruled himself. Meditations is a reminder that no matter our status or struggles, we can choose to live with intention, clarity, and virtue. If you found value in this breakdown, give it a like, share it with someone who could use a little Stoic strength, and subscribe to the Stoic Formula for more insights from the greatest minds in philosophy. Remember, control your mind, master your life. See you next time.